Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off push notifications in the Axe app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Axe app. And here it usually opens up in the feed where we have the posts from the people that we follow. Then we can swipe to the right, scroll down, tap on settings and support, and then tap on settings and privacy. Here in this section, we have to scroll down and tap on notifications. Then in the notifications section, we tap on preferences. And here we tap on push notifications. Now in top, we find a little button next to push notifications. And if you tap on that, then all kinds of notifications will be turned off. But if you leave it turned on, we can just select the kind of notifications that we want to have have sent for us. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys. I'll see you in the next one.